Detroit.
There we go.
Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 375, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 375 has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer. The current time is 2:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight